thing does.
I know, it's
So it starts with. It starts like this. We'll work backwards. It's very hard. This with the belt. But you can do any length. So you go shorter, shorter, shorter into a shirt. And then you start to have some fun. Alright, so this, shake that down a little bit. This can be over here, come down or up here, so that this brings you in a little bit. You're always covered up, so you're always, and this brings your tummy in, so if you don't want to show it off, you don't have to. And then the sleeves really do everything, so let's see. You're getting caught up with all these fancy jewels.
Isn't that amazing? That would look so good on you.
Just long or short or wrap around the waist. Short. Look at that.
You can wear it 60 different ways.
Oh, yeah, you have to just.
You can wear it as a shirt, as a skirt.
Yeah, everything you can do long, you can do short.
Yeah?
She should be on a stage on a platform.
And you come out in every color.
Every color.
Yeah.
Well,
No, we're in Charleston, South Carolina. I sell everything here, but I ship all over the world.
give her your card, Christy. Isn't that incredible?
It is so much fun. It really is. All right, guys, here we go. Pockets, right? You can hear the honking in the background. Make it short. This comes all the way up to here to where it's a shirt. These are sleeves. Here we go. Let's start morphing. Bring this down and then back up. Tuck this in a little bit for a thinning, slimming look. Make it short. Drop it. Let's take our arm out here. Drop this down. It's all in the sleeves, okay? Up to here. Cross here. And make it work for you. Show it out. Short. Yes. Here we go. Gotta love the sounds of Charleston. Tie it around the back. Here we go, just like this. This. Make it short. Drop it down. Let's see, what else haven't we done? Oh, and this is how we start. Hang on.
Don't forget your one shoulder.
Oh, the one shoulder. So this is how we kind of start, really. Boss lady. Do something a lot more fun. And I think we are almost done.
Side tie. Around the side.
Oh, with the Grecian. Hang on.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do. Oh, I've done it so many times I'm not even sure what I've done anymore. All right, here we go. This is one of my favorites, actually. And you just pull it in, and you always feel kind of sucked in here because you've got this ruching, but then you're covered up. And then you change the length, depending on the party and what you want to show off. There's probably 10 more things I've forgotten. Bye.